Hello everybody and welcome back to Hong Kong Disneyland.
歡迎你哋返嚟啊！
I'm Tony
我係 Lily
and we are the Hong Kong Disneyland Ambassadors. This is a perfect moment. It's time for us to reunite and celebrate all those special occasions together.
嚟迪士尼唔單止仲可以見到我哋，梗係唔少得要同我哋迪士尼朋友見面啦！呢度仲有好多唔同嘅地方同佢哋一齊影相添啊
Yeah, that's right.
Friend, what's your favorite thing to do at the park?
Me. I love going down to the Animation Academy and drawing my favorite red panda from the new movie Turning Red. How about you?
我就梗係中意影相啦！呢度有2個全新嘅打卡景點，就喺我身後面美國小鎮大街就有一個啦，而第2個呢，就喺反斗奇兵大本營，大家記住唔可以錯過啊
Friend, I heard that the photo moments are going to be double magic now because our Disney friends are going to come together in pairs.
Oh, who are they?
Nick and Judy.
I know the other one.
Yeah.
It's Buzz Lightyear and Jessie.
That's amazing. How about if our friends come into the park and they want to celebrate a special occasion? What do?
就喺我身處呢個位置，美國小鎮大街嘅火車站有一個升級版嘅生日歡聚奇妙時刻，有全新嘅歌曲，仲有喎，如果你仲想開心啲嘅話，去小鎮雪糕店買雪糕嘅時候，仲有個生日牌喺上面添啊，真係好奇妙㗎。
And remember, on your way out the park, step into the Emporium and explore the newly designed layout and pick up your favorite gifts for your friends and your family. But one last thing, before you go, remember to follow us
On Instagram
and Facebook. See you guys soon.